Good morning, this is your stats sensei, Mr. Spensei, and this is going to be a chi-square test of independence. This will be our warm-up for community service. In a group of more than 10,000 volunteers, adults 21 and older volunteer from 1 to 9 hours each week to spend time with a disabled senior citizen. The program recruits among community college students, four-year college students, and non-students. The following table is a random sample. So we have a couple things here. More than 10,000, that sounds like a population size. That's probably important. Um, and we have a random sample of adult volunteers and the number of hours they work per week. All right. Are the number of hours volunteered independent of the type of volunteer? So we have number of hours and type of volunteer. Answer the following in the space below. How many samples are there? Well, they said it was a sample. A means one, and test of independence will always be one sample. So this is just one sample. And if it's a test of independence, it'll always just be one sample. Then it says, list the variables and the levels of each. Well, in this case, we have two variables. We have type of volunteer, and it happens to have 1, 2, 3 levels. We have community college, we also have four-year college, and we have non-students. All right. So community college, four-year college, and non-students are for that variable. We also have another variable, and the second variable, and it doesn't really matter which order you have, is number of hours worked per week. So number of hours worked. In this case, we have 1, 2, 3. We also have three levels. And they happen to be 1 to 3, 4 to 6, and 7 to 9. All right. So a couple things I want you to get out of this video. If you're running a test of independence, it's always going to be one sample. And the fact of the matter is you can have two or more variables. In this case, we happen to have two variables. The two variables are number of hours worked and type of volunteer. Each variable in this particular case, and they didn't have to, had three levels. Community college, four-year college, and non-students was for type of volunteer. For number of hours worked, we had three groups, 1, 2, 3. All right, or three levels there as well. Okay. Oh, also, just while we're here, we happen to have a sample size of 839. Hopes this helps and hope to see you on the next one. Thank you.